guys, my name is Crystal Andrunas with Infotainment.com and OBD Genie, here with this week's infotainment and auto industry news update for the week of January 20th, 2020. Car infotainment systems are constantly advancing every day. Sure enough, here comes another advancement from Microchip Technology, a leading provider of microcontroller semiconductors. The company has developed a chipset called the MGC3140 that allows users to operate their vehicle's connected systems with hand gestures. GestIC technology doesn't monitor the operator input with cameras or microphones. Instead, it uses a low-energy sensors to capture and interpret user hand gestures into commands. Advocates believe a hand gesturing system will help prevent distracted driving. By using hand gestures, drivers wouldn't have to divert their eyes from the road to make adjustments. But some research indicates that using hand gestures could only just cause problems of their own. Scientists found that drivers who encounter command failures experience 27 seconds of cognitive disruption. Consequently, those distracted operators have a high probability of getting into an accident. There's been a lot of buzz and frustration about Ford's re-release of the new 2021 Ford Bronco. The American automaker has been very tight-lipped about the vehicle, with enthusiasts getting impatient with the lack of news. The company recently released a video of the vehicle being test-driven in the desert. Everyone has been anxious to see the new design and technology. According to carbuzz.com, the much-anticipated reveal will supposedly occur at the 2020 New York Auto Show this April. Reportedly, the new Bronco will also share the Ranger's 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Initial reports indicate that it will have 270 horsepower and the 310 foot-pound of torque. Four-wheel drive will also be optional. Production will take place at the Ford, Michigan assembly plant, where the original Bronco was also built. Rumors are that the new Nissan Z is in the making. It should be noted that the company itself has not confirmed a new version of the sports car. The new design reportedly sports a front end like that of the 240Z with a square mouth and near round headlights. Its rear taillights are meant to follow that of the 300ZX from the 1990s. And yes, Nissan will finally add an infotainment system. It is suspected that the infotainment system will be like those in the current Ultima models. If you're a Dodge Challenger fanatic, you've already probably picked a side in the splitter guard controversy. The splitter guards applied by the manufacturer are also designed to protect the splitters during shipping to the dealer. They were intended to be removed once the car has been sold, but it seems that many buyers prefer the look of the new Challenger with the splitter guards in place. The car's designers never intended for this to happen and have publicly pleaded with the owners to remove them. When that didn't work, Dodge began shipping the vehicles with hot pink guards instead of the original yellow, in hopes that would compel the new owners to follow the advice. Seems like that didn't work either. Now Dodge is considering changing the color to black. Good luck with that. And that's it for this week's industry highlights. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to visit our website at Infotainment.com. Stay warm and see you next week.